welcome back. So now after your English class, after we have learned about one more I family words, it's time to begin with our maths class. Clear? So what we are going to do today, as assessments are coming, so we are going to revise a topic that is backward counting. Clear? So today we are going to do the revision of backward counting. So what is backward counting? Reverse counting या the counting which is written in reverse order, जिसको हम उल्टा लिखते हैं. Clear? So we have done our backward counting from 50 and we completed till 1 or 0, you can say. So today we are going to do the revision of that counting itself. Clear? So the first thing is you are going to see how we are going to do this work. After that, you will do that work in your notebook as well as, in your notebook as classwork as well as homework also. Clear? So let us begin with our work and see how we are going to write this counting. So today we are going to do backward counting from 50 to 1. Is that clear to all? From 50 to 1 we are going to write. So let us begin now. So when we are going to begin from 50, what is the first number I have to write here? I am going to write 50 here. Yes, so like this, 50. Now the very easy way of doing this is, you all know how to do what comes before. आपको पता है ना, before means पहले वाला number. That means जो number आप यहाँ लिख रहे हो उससे before number लिखते जाना है बस नीचे नीचे. So we have written 50 here. So what comes before 50? 50 से पहले क्या आता है? That comes 49. Yes. So what we'll do? I'll write 49. Now what comes before 49? 48. तो इस तरह से when you will write the counting like this ना, you only have to write the previous number. जो number लिखा है उसका previous, फिर उसका previous. आपको ऐसे what comes before वाला concept follow करते हुए you can write your backward counting or your reverse counting very easily. Is that clear to all? So let us resume with this. 47. Then we have 46. 45. 44. So what comes before 44? 43. So we'll write 43. Then it is 42. Then 41. Clear? Now this line ends here. 41 पे ये finish हो गया. Now what comes before 41? You have to write here in the next line. Clear everyone? आपको 41 पे आने के बाद you have to stop that series here, and after stopping that series you will continue to write in the next line. आपको फिर next series में continue करना है, next line में अपनी counting को continue करना है. Clear? So we have ended here with 41. So what comes before 41? 40. So what we are going to do? We are going to write 40 in this next one. So 40. So class, before moving ahead, can anyone tell me what is this T and O for? You all are aware about it. You are also aware that we have started writing H also when we are writing our normal counting or forward counting. So T is for tens and O is for ones. So what does this number 40 means now? 40 का क्या मतलब हुआ? If I say 40, so what does this 40 means? 4 groups of 10 object each. ठीक है? हर ग्रुप में कितने ऑब्जेक्ट हैं? 10. और ऐसे हमारे पास कितने हैं? 4 groups. Because 4 is under tens. You remember that? Good. Now moving ahead, we have 39, 38, 37, 36. So class, if you can see, I am not saying 3, 6, 36. I am only saying 36, 37, आप लोगों ने एडिशन स्टार्ट किया, ठीक है। अब मान लीजिए आपको ऐड करना है। अब आपने बोला 4 2 42, बट 4 और 2 तो 6 भी होते हैं ना, 4 and 2 6 भी तो होते हैं। So how can you say 4 2 42? This was the reason I repeatedly say never say your counting like this. You just have to say 42, 43, 44. Clear? 4 4 44. अब 4 और 4 8 हो गए बेटा, 44 नहीं होते वो। Clear? Now moving next, 36. Then what comes before 36? 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Clear? After 31, what should I write here? 31 के before क्या आता है? What comes before 31? 30. So I'm going to start the new one. 30. Then comes 29, 28, 27, 26. Then comes 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Clear? 21 तक हो गई हमारी काउंटिंग. So what comes before 21 now? 20. So what I'll write? I'll write 20. Then what should I write here? 19. Yes, 19. Then it is 18, 17, 16, 15. So see, I have made a mistake. अब बताओ आपने क्या मिस्टेक करी है? I am not writing on the bottom line. Yes. So 5 was not written on the bottom line. You have to be very careful while you are writing this. Clear? Then 14, 13, 12, 11. Clear? अब 11 से before क्या आता है? 10. So that we are going to write here 10. Then comes 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is that clear to all of you? Clear everyone? So this is how we write our backward counting. Now during your ASLs यानी कि जो oral exams होते हैं, ma'am might also ask you to speak backward counting. तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? For example, मैम ने आपको बोला speak counting from 40 to 21. आप कैसे बोलोगे? 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Clear? तो oral counting को, backward counting को you have to practice orally also, and in this way you are going to do it in the notebook also. Clear? So now it's time to see how to do this work in our notebook. I'll just show you that. So class, now when we are going to begin our work in notebook, what we have to do first? First we are going to write down our today's date. So today is 1st September 2020. Clear? Then it is our classwork. So first you are going to write CW like this. After that you will write your topic backward counting. Backward counting, and this backward counting is from 50 to 1. Is that clear to all? So after writing your topic, we'll start writing the counting, but first we'll write tens, ones, and we'll put a cross mark. And we'll start writing like this: 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. So as I told you, you are only going to write 10 numbers in one line. Clear? So after that, after writing these 10 numbers, what next we are going to do? We are going to write tens and ones in the next line once again. So here we are going to do that. Tens and ones. And we'll put a cross here. So we have written till 41. So what we are going to write here? 40. So I'll write 40, and after that 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. So we have again finished writing 10 numbers. So now in the next line again we'll write tens and ones and we'll put a cross here. Okay. So as we have written till 31, what we are going to do? We are going to begin with 30 now. So let's see. 30. After that 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Done till 21. So again we are going to write tens and ones here. So like this, tens and ones. Clear? As we have written till 21, so we are going to begin here from 20. So let us see. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Clear? So because we are not left with space, now we will go to the adjacent page and we'll put a cross, and now here I am going to write tens and ones again. Clear all? Because now here we are completed with 11. So what comes before 11? Can anyone tell me? So what should I write here? I am going to write 10. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And after that you can also write 0 here. Clear? So this is how we have written our backward counting 50 से 0 तक. Clear? So this is your class work. Understood class? ये क्या है आपका class work है. So what is your today's homework? So here I am going to write your homework. Homework is same as class work. So what you are going to do? आपको ऐसे ही एक और बार you are going to practice writing backward counting as homework on the next page. यहाँ पे again you will write date and this time you are going to write HW here. Clear? So आप यहाँ पे HW लिखेंगे and you will start writing your counting, backward counting as homework. But before that, first complete your classwork. Clear all? So class, I hope that you have understood how we are going to do your today's maths work. So today we have revised the topic of backward counting from 50 to 0, or you can say from 50 to 1. Clear all? So after this, you have to write your classwork once and your homework once. As I told you, finish your work. Please do oral revision also of this counting. Clear? Don't forget कि counting आपको not only for the writing practice, orally also you should know how to speak it. As let's do it once again. Clear? We are all going to do together. 50. Say with me. 50. 49. 48. 47. 46. 45. 44. 43, 42, 41, then 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Okay, then what comes? 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Now what comes before 21? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Then comes 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.